Mnangagwa launches Zimbabwe's own Msuzwane cough syrup. President Emmerson Mnangagwa was Wednesday the guest of honor at the launch in Harare of Zimbabwe's own cough syrup COFSOL, manufactured using the country's natural resources, including the Msuzwane herb. The syrup was developed by the National Biotechnology Authority (NBA) and is a remedy for treating coughs, colds, and flu. It is composed of the local natural traditional herb Msuzwane Lippia-Javanica. Msuzwane made headlines last year as citizens used the herb to fight against the deadly COVID-19 pandemic as a home remedy. Mnangagwa said the development marked the development of enhanced scientific research and innovation in the growing local pharmaceutical industry. The launch was held at the local Harare hotel. My government recognizes the role of biotechnology in transforming the livelihood of our people through the production of food, medicines, drugs, and industrial products among others, Mnangagwa said. This should also see the national producing heritage-based goods and services as well as developing multi-pronged solutions from the vast array of our abundant natural resources. I, therefore, exhort the National Biotechnology Authority and other stakeholders to create an enabling ecosystem to enhance collaboration, knowledge, skills, and infrastructure sharing within the sector. He added, to ensure the consistent availability of the primary ingredients of the COFSOL syrup, I challenge stakeholders to venture into contract farming and the use of biotechnology innovations. As a nation, we will undoubtedly emerge stronger through the adaptation of our traditional and natural resources for health and well-being. Mnangagwa advised the NBA that its new product should not only serve the domestic market but for the authority to take advantage of other global trade arrangements. In so doing, I urge the industry to market its products and ensure utmost quality assurance, through adhering to good manufacturing practices and competitive business environment created by my government towards enhanced scientific creativity for the public and private sectors alike.